Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below, and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, ayan, nagluluto po tayo ng bihon. In short, pansit. Ayan guys, ang ating unang recipe. Ang ating pansit. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Tapos ang shallot. Ayan, red onion. Super yummy. At ang ating pangalawang recipe for today is ang ating macaroni soup. Yan. Masarap sa malamig na panahon. Ayan, yan, yan guys. Ayan, ang sarap. At ang ating pangatlong recipe guys ay ang ating ginataang langka. Ayan, super yummy din yan. It's my first time na magluto nito. Super sarap ka na. Ayan guys. Ginataang langka. Again guys, thank you so much again for watching my video. Thanks and God bless. See you in another. Goodbye and thank you so much.